Guys, it's me, Fiorella, and today I'm going to be doing another video. But this time, it's going to be slime tutorial with my Play-Doh tutorial. But this is not Play-Doh, this is clay, because this was when I was 5, but then I bought some clay and those things. So, let me just put my slimes over here. You guys can't see them. Okay. So, the first one that I'm going to start with is my smallest one. It's this boogery green slime. This is the space where I do my slime things because I have some baby lotion and I have 2 different types of perfume and some soup. So this one's booger green. It's a small one. Let me show you guys the color. You see? But with the light, it's a boogery green. It's a booger green with sparkles. Then I'll just put it in this container. Then I have this bronze slime. It's a super good slime. It's a super good poker. Look here. You guys can't hear it that much, but it's a super good poker, and it's not that stretchy though. But if you do it real slow like this, it's really stretchy. It's a good poker also. Here. It's a bronze. It's a sparkly bronze color, but on the light it looks like it's a gray slime. It's a really good poker. Super good poker, I mean. My next slime is this glitter slime. It's super good poker. It's not that good stretchy though. But when you put it in the container, it's a super good poker. Comes out like a square. Let me get you guys this. So that was all of my slimes. It's a big, so it's a big, medium, and small. But this one has a cap under it, and you can see that there's like a little space. And then I put them together. Then I have this clay. It feels like Play-Doh, but isn't. And right now I'm going to put some of my clay into the medium slime. So I'm just gonna open it. Wait! So I'm just gonna make a hole grab some clay. Oh, clay fell. If you can see, just now I put some clay in there. Then I'm just gonna mix it. Whoa! Gonna add a little bit more clay. It's still too hard. You see how the clay is transforming the slime? When the clay is not transforming the slime that much, you see how the clay is coming out? Because it's not transforming. And then I grab some lotion. Ouch. Blood. Make a little hole. See how the lotion makes it transform. So makes it be a stretcher. So that is all, guys. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Wait. I hope you enjoy this video, and probably tomorrow or later I'm going to be making another video. So I hope you enjoy. Like and subscribe. Bye.